here is a look at this gorgeous rug from Safavieh. Hopefully I'm saying that right. If you're curious, this is the color cream/blue in the size 4x6. My husband and I have had this for about a year now and we absolutely love it. I'll give you a closer look at some of the details. I love the pattern that's on it and it looks really great in our space here. It's a super cute addition, ties the colors together really well, and I especially like how this brand has multiple different colors to choose from, so you're sure to find one that will look great in your space. And here again is a closer look just at how it is. It's super duper pretty. It can trap hair in, but it's very, very easy to clean, so that's not an issue for us. And you can also see the bottom here if that's something that you're interested in. It's a very professional rug. It's very pretty. It doesn't shed or anything. We've never had any issues with that. It's also very easy to set up, to roll out, and make sure that the corners are flattened down and look great. So if you are looking for a rug, definitely consider this one. It's super pretty. It's sure to look great in just about any space.